Sweet corn harvesting has come a long way. From manual labor and slow traditional methods of farming. Today, modern farming relies on powerful machines that save time, reduce labor costs, and increase productivity. In this video, we're taking a close look at the sweet corn harvester machine. This machine is built to handle fresh sweet corn without damaging the cobs, preserving quality for fresh markets and processing factories. The sweet corn harvester machines comes with adjustable harvesting height for different corn varieties, high-speed picking units for maximum efficiency, minimal cob damage to maintain market quality, easy operation and low maintenance design. This machine is ideal for commercial sweet corn farmers, large-scale agricultural operations, food processing companies, export-oriented corn farms, The sweet corn harvester machine is a perfect example of how modern agricultural technology is shaping the future of farming. This machine is helping farmers to produce more with less effort. If you enjoy learning about modern farming machines and agricultural innovations, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more amazing farm videos.